Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, I would like to give you another presentation of a SolidWorks tutorial. It is doing some decal or something like attaching a, a letter onto the surface. So let's begin our work. Choose the prompt plane and now choose the normal tool. And let's do some sketch. Sketch one. Let's do some circle. Okay. And now let's do some check out of documentary properties on the units as ins, the one I use all the time. And close the circle dialog box and the smart dimension. Just grab it. And then let's put it as 6 as the unit as in ins and check OK. And now use a picture or extruded box that we need to use. So let's do it as a mid plane. Let's do it as 1 inch. As a unit is, let's see that it's 1 inch. Okay. Now let's do something like delay, which is something like 0.5 inch. That's a half inch. And then items to delay is this one. Okay. Okay, there is also the variable size delay. There is a paste delay. Let's remove this one first. Let's choose the paste delay. So it doesn't work. But this one, maybe we'll just use that one for a while. So now I want it. Okay, so this one has a rounding on the other side also. So now I wanted to have a shield on this portion. So shield outward. So preview. You see that it is shelled. Okay. Let's click OK. Now it's been shelled right there. It's good. And then press rebuild and then save. Exercise 190 and save. Now let's do some attachment of a text. That I'm gonna make a text in the air and then put it into the object here. So let's do some something like a plane. This one. So we move it to 1. So that is the where I'm gonna sketch a text. So let's do it. Now let's sketch on that plane. Now let's do some circle on the middle of the object or the plane and put dimension it as a 3. Okay, in inches, and then regenerate the model with the current value and just check it or remove it, the dimension, and then click this one, the circle. So just put it as for construction, where the line will be not as a solid one, but like a construction line. Okay, and then let's put something like the curve, where you have to sketch the text. So the curve is right here. Okay, and we use the pun. The pun will be, let's say, about 50. And let's do something like find something like Tacoma. Okay, and now let's put the solid work name. So let's put it this way. So you see that the SolidWorks shows up right away on that art, the art one. So let's put it as the other side. It goes in, goes out, and then it's backward, and the straight one that you can read it and put it in, not in the middle, but in on the other side, and put it on the back or the whole thing. So let's just put it in like that. So move a bit so it will be in the middle. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see that it is now shows as SolidWorks text. So I want this SolidWorks text to be in this object. Let's use the picture command. Let's choose the picture that is the projected curve. So the sketch on the sketch, which is this one. And now I wanted to project it here. Okay, now I just changed the plane itself. I put it in the middle of the of this object. So we'll do it as Extrude Boss. We use the Extrude Boss pictures. That is will be through the surface. That's the one with a 1 inch. Is it 1 inch? Let's check it out. So it will be not. So we'll add some 1 inch. Okay, that's good. So maybe we'll reduce the height to 0.75. So that's 1 inch. It's 0.75. It's much better. So that's it. And then we'll color it. Put some color onto this drawing, or the text itself, the extrude text. So we'll put it as red. Okay, and then the whole the body, or the extrude, it's gonna be something like green or cyan. Wait a minute. The exercise, it is green or light green or cyan, or that one. Let's do the yellow. Maybe this one. So that's it.